Welcome to Love Garden Care, where green leaves and beautiful blooms bring joy every single day. Here, I share simple, natural, and easy to follow plant care tips for anyone who loves houseplants. You don't need complicated techniques or chemical fertilizers. With the right care, your plant can thrive naturally. In this video, I'll show you how to care for Anthuriums at home, so they grow glossy leaves and bloom beautifully all year long. If you love nature and gentle, natural plant care, let's start this gardening journey together. The ingredient I use to care for my Anthurium today is a simple onion from the kitchen. I gently peel off each layer and keep the dry outer skins, as they contain valuable natural nutrients for plants. If you're watching this video, where are you from? I'm happy to welcome you to Love Garden Care. Leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect from all around the world. Next, I place the freshly peeled onion skins directly into a clean glass jar, preparing for the next step. Then, I add 3 tablespoons of rice to the onion skins. Rice is a familiar ingredient, but it provides gentle natural nutrients that help plants absorb the solution more easily. After that, I pour in about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water and stir well to combine all the ingredients. I let this mixture steep for about 30 minutes, allowing the nutrients from the onion skins and rice to activate, creating a gentle, natural plant care solution full of vitality. After a period of growth, I noticed that the Anthurium has many leaves growing too close together, with some turning yellow and wilting, making the plant less airy and less vigorous. I gently use scissors to remove old, wilted leaves and spent flowers, allowing better airflow and reducing the risk of pests and disease. This pruning helps the plant focus its energy on healthy parts and encourages new growth. After pruning, I reapply the natural solution I prepared to support the plant's recovery. This step helps the plant recover faster, strengthens root growth, and prepares for greener new leaves and longer-lasting blooms. After letting the mixture steep for about 30 minutes, I open the jar. Next, I stir the solution well to help the nutrients from the onion skins and rice fully dissolve into the water. At this point, you can notice a light, distinctive aroma from the onion skins combined with rice. Then, I strain out the solids, keeping only the clear liquid, which contains the most easily absorbable nutrients for the plant. This solution is a powerful natural energy source that helps Anthurium plants recover faster and promotes strong root growth. Next, I add about 1000 milliliters of clean water and stir well to create a gentle, plant-safe natural fertilizer. This dilution ensures the solution is at the right strength, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients effectively without stressing the roots or leaves. Step 1. I use a soft cotton pad soaked in the onion skin and rice extract. Then gently wipe all Anthurium leaves, both the top and underside. This is not just a simple cleaning step, but also a natural massage therapy that helps the plant relax and absorb nutrients more effectively. Onion skin extract contains natural antibacterial compounds and sulfur, which help remove dust, mold, and harmful bacteria from the leaf surface. Once the leaves are clean, light absorption improves, allowing photosynthesis to work more efficiently and making the leaves visibly glossier. Nutrients from the onion skin and rice gently penetrate the leaf surface, helping improve resilience and support faster recovery after blooming or stress. Helping improve resilience and support faster recovery after blooming or stress. Thanks to this leaf cleaning step, the Anthurium becomes more airy, healthier, and ready for the next care steps. Step 2. I pour the onion skin and rice extract into a spray bottle and gently mist the entire Anthurium plant, including the stems, leaves, and the growing medium around the base. This solution contains minerals, vitamins, and natural sulfur compounds from onion skins combined with natural starch from rice, helping provide energy and stimulate the plant's metabolism. As a result, the plant recovers faster, especially after pruning or blooming, and regains vitality more quickly. Active compounds in onion skins help suppress bacteria, mold, and small insects that often hide on leaf surfaces or near the roots. With regular misting, the solution helps maintain natural leaf moisture, reducing dry edges or leaf burn caused by strong sunlight. Natural nutrients gradually penetrate the leaves and stems, making them thicker, darker green, and glossier, while activating healthy growth. Step 3. I use the remaining solution to water the Anthurium growing medium directly. This is a deep feeding method that delivers nutrients straight to the roots. Watering with the onion skin and rice solution helps stimulate strong root growth, allowing roots to spread throughout the pot and build a solid foundation. Natural compounds in onion skins provide gentle disinfecting effects, helping prevent root fungus and protect the plant during growth. Rice provides natural starch, allowing roots to absorb energy more easily and supporting faster root tissue regeneration. By feeding the roots directly, the plant recovers faster after pruning, produces strong new shoots, and prepares for the next blooming cycle. By doing this once or twice a month, you'll notice clear improvements, including darker green leaves, stronger roots, and longer-lasting blooms. After letting the growing medium soak for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the pot to allow excess water to drain, preventing root rot. Finally, I place the plant in an area with soft, indirect light, avoiding both harsh sunlight and deep shade, allowing it to settle and continue growing. Step 4. I use a soft cotton cloth to gently dry the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves. This is a small but essential step that keeps the leaves clean, beautiful, and well protected after spraying. Drying the leaves removes excess moisture, preventing prolonged dampness that can lead to fungal issues, leaf rot, or sunburn under strong light. The soft cloth also removes dust and leftover residue, allowing the leaf surface to breathe better and perform photosynthesis more efficiently. After wiping, the leaves become glossier, firmer, and naturally smooth, as if covered by a soft green glow. Wiping the leaves is also a moment of connection, allowing us to feel the plant's vitality and notice the small but magical changes of nature. With that, we've completed the Anthurium care process, using simple natural ingredients like onion skins and rice. This method supports glossier leaves, stronger roots, and longer-lasting blooms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to spread natural plant care methods with more people. Thank you for being with Love Garden Care, where every leaf and every bloom is nurtured with love and positive energy. See you in the next video.